What is up, YouTube? Jeep and Bubba here, and tonight I'm installing some lights on my Jeep JL. What am I going with? Well, I'm going with some Mpower 2x1s. Let me pick this box up and show you guys. Look at this. Now, one thing I'm always impressed with, because I've gotten some stuff from them before, is their packaging. The packaging is fantastic. It's got all kind of stuff that you're going to want and need in there. It's got instructions. It's got these fancy little QR codes so you can get instructions and stuff like that and take you straight to their website. But let me show you the lights. These are 2x1 lights. They're silicone lighting. So this whole assembly is dipped in a big block of silicone. So they are indestructible, which if you know me, I need that. I need indestructible. And these are going right on the front of my Jeep. Okay? They're going right there on my Fairlead. And that's a spot that might get hit. So it's great to have these. Now, I had another competitor's fog lights there before, and they kept fogging up with water. So I can't wait to review these and see how they do. Seen them at SEMA. They're super bright. Seen the construction. It is fantastic. Let's quit talking about them, and let's just get them installed. Okay, I kind of just have everything in the organized pile here. I already had some fog lights wired up before, so what I'm going to do is just go ahead and splice these in there, but they give you a fantastic harness. I'm going to hold on to that, probably going to use it in the future. And another thing that's great to note, you see these bolts right here? You can stack another 2x1 right on top of this if you want double set of lights. I'm going to go with the singles. I'm just going to use the bolt provided, and that's just a nice, clean look. And what I love is I have these Quake fender lights, and these really match up well with them. So I'm excited for the look, the functionality, and the durability. And I'm going to go ahead and kind of quickly install these. And it'll be just something like, and installed. So I have to say, overall, super easy install. And the way it was boxed, all the information in the box, all the hardware. One thing I really like, I'm going to get down here and show you. This is the way that this light was packaged. Now, you'll see this silicone on here, which is awesome. It's solid. It feels cool. You can tell this thing is going to hold up. But it is packaged with this bracket already installed. Most lights you buy on the market, you have to assemble their brackets, and it takes forever. I hate the way that the brackets are sold and set up. This is one of the first lighting companies I've seen that they send them on the brackets, which is great. And then they've got just a nut that's a 13 that's super easy. You see right there, it's in a little slot, so that top part doesn't move. Your nut, 13 millimeter, super easy. So basically, all you need is some wire cutters. If you're going to use the vehicle harness style, it's pretty much plug and play for your JL. It's super, super easy. You can tap right into your factory fogs. Now on this JL, I tapped in the factory fog switch, so super easy for me. Everything I needed was in there, and there's great information on their website. That's going to be mpowerlights.com. mpowerlights.com. Check them out. I'm going to come back to you guys in about 6 months and give you my review. But that's my install. My initial review is going to be 2 thumbs up, A+. And next up for us is we're going to be throwing in their light bar and then their fascia lights as rock lights. So be paying attention for that. It's coming out very soon. I'm Jeep and Bubba. I hope there's an adventure in your future. I'm going to go outside and aim these lights. Eat your prunes, and we'll be seeing you. Alright, here's outside my shop. It's pretty well lit, and there's no other lights on right now other than my fog lights. That is pretty impressive. That's just a pair of the 2x1 Mpower lights. Really impressive, guys. Let's throw it on my headlights. Really awesome. That's gonna work great for us. Can't wait to get the light bar in and the rock lights.